It says 13E.
That's where I am.
Okay, give me a minute. Let me see your phone. Listen,
No,
I'm trying to help you.
Are you?
No, you're supposed to be at 37E.
No.
Ma'am.
You think I would make this up? You think I would hold everybody?
How's everything? Okay, and you don't want her flying at all, not even if she moves her seat? Okay. Yes.
She's supposed to sit in this seat. She don't want to go.
Well, now the captain says no, it doesn't matter.
She want to get out there.
So can you ask her to come up here, please?
She's not going to come.
Not gonna come.
She said you have to drive her because she's not going nowhere. That's what.
Hello, Camille? How are you? Deputy Soto.
I'm grieving is actually how I'm doing. I'm trying to get to a funeral.
I'm sorry.
Today.
Okay, ma'am, I'm sorry about that. But now...
I'm sitting in my assigned seat.
No, you're supposed to be at 37E.
No.
Ma'am.
You think I would make this up? You think I would hold everybody
It's right
up?
here.
It's also right here.
That's a screenshot, ma'am.
It's the app, view my boarding pass. Why would I make that up?
Let me see.
Why would I make that up? It's unspirited spirit. You think I'm going to waste my time?
Ma'am, it says 13E.
That's where I am.
Okay, give me a minute. Let me see your phone. Listen,
No, I'm trying
to help you.
Are you?
Yes,
because isn't everyone else seated?
I came here respectfully.
I understand that, but I've been so
I'm trying to help you.
disrespected.
Let
Do
me
you
show it to the
understand? I'm just
captain.
trying to get
I understand.
to Chicago.
But right
I have
now,
a funeral
this is the thing.
tonight.
But this is the
I've been
thing.
working all
Okay,
day.
I understand.
I don't work
You're
for
not-
spirit.
I know. I'm trying to help you.
Then talk to
Okay,
them.
let me go talk to them, but I need to see the phone. I'm going to give it right back. I'm on body camera. I'm not going to take your phone.
I don't think that you're going to take my phone. I would just like to have my body camera.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Okay. Let me see what
I'm
I can
not
do.
from Florida.
Let me see what I can do. Okay? If you're correct, then everything should
Why
be
would
fine.
I make this up?
Well, because everything is here saying that you're supposed to be 37E. So I don't know what the mix-up is.
They mixed it up, which
Give me
they
1
need
minute.
to fix.
Let me see.
That's not
That's
my
the app, right?
Yes,
it's the
it
app.
is.
Okay. Give me 1 minute. Hey, sir. I know it's on her app, though.
Yeah, but if she refreshed, she would have seen her seat.
A screenshot. Okay.
That's a screenshot.
Okay. That's a screenshot. She opened it up for me, so show me how.
Yeah, let me show you this.
Let me see. I understand she. Hey, sir. There's an issue with her. On her app, it's saying 13E. So the thing is, with the ticket, her and Spirit, something happened. But she's supposed to be, as from when she originally purchased the ticket, it said 13E. But now she's being told she got to go. So I understand her not wanting to leave, but something's got to give with her and Spirit. Then it's not. You see what I'm saying? I don't want to kick somebody off who doesn't deserve to be kicked off because of an error. That's my concern.
Here's my concern. If she's not complying to the instructions, that's a no-point of.
No, I understand that.
Apply to the instructions on the airplane. She's not going to comply in the air. I don't want her on the airplane.
No, I understand.
Let's hold on. Let's have a conversation like two human beings. Okay, so I'm gonna listen. That's fine. You don't want to have a conversation? That's fine. Let me tell you what's gonna happen.
What is there a conversation?
You're gonna come off the plane. If you refuse to come off the plane, I'm gonna give you your last warning. You refuse to come off the plane, you're gonna go to jail today. I'm gonna deplane everyone off the plane. I'm gonna drag you off the plane. That's fine. I'll give you my last warning. All right. She said she's not coming off.
15039 from the aircraft.
I tried.
You did.
Yeah, I tried.
No, I heard.
I tried.
I just talked to the chief pilot. Third time it's happened today. Just to let you know. Twice in Atlanta. This is the third time.
Oh, really? It's one of those days.
Here's the other thing. She's in a fucking accident. You got somebody emotionally disturbed and upset, and now they're in an accident.
Yeah. Who knows if she... We try, but it is what it is. That's it. On the plane, the final chance. Once the handcuffs go on, there's no negotiating. That's it. Either get off the plane or go to jail.
I'm not doing anything.
One last chance. Off the plane or off the plane and go to jail.
What am I doing?
I'm not going to tell you. Off the plane or off the plane and go to jail. You choose right now. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? 5. If you stand up and walk off, you can rebook. 3, 2. If not, you're going to jail. 1. All right.